In this video, I'll show you how to fix flash drive access denied in Windows 11. First, connect your USB flash drive to your computer. Wait a few seconds until Windows detects it. Now open File Explorer. Click This PC. Find your USB flash drive. Right-click the USB flash drive. Select Properties. Click the Tools tab. Under Error Checking, click Check. If Windows finds any errors, follow the on-screen instructions to repair the drive. When the scan is complete, close the window. Now unplug the USB flash drive. Wait a few seconds. Connect the USB flash drive again. Open File Explorer. Open the USB flash drive to check if the problem has been fixed. That's it. This is how you can fix flash drive access denied. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.